Hello friends, welcome to another product unboxing and review. We are checking out the 40-watt Magcube PD 2-port wall charger. This is from Aohi, and I will link their website in the description below if you guys want to check this one out. And I'll put a code down there too. You can receive an additional 10% off if you use that code. All right, so have this little guy right here, and these come in different colors too. You have some instructions in there and a little survey card. That's cool. But one thing that struck me first was, actually it looks pretty cool. I like the color. Looks pretty neat there, and ports here in the bottom. Ends bigger. Anyways, so you can either plug this in a lot of your plugins, if you have them next to your bed and you're charging your phone, they're going to have the cord coming out of the back. So if you do have a side table or something like that, it's just they usually stick out. Like the Apple ones are like already stick out like this far from the wall, and then they have the USB cord in the back, so they're sticking out like they're literally like 6 inches from the wall. So that would stop you from putting your nightstand real close to the wall. This, on the other hand, is 3/4 of an inch thick. It's not going to really get in your way. And you can have your cords either coming up or down, which is pretty sweet. So this features a little light here on the bottom. The light is amber when it's fast charging, and it's a breathing light. It's a little pulsating light. Looks pretty sweet, like this color. These come in different colors too. You can check it out on the website. They're pretty sweet. Solid blue is standard charging, and then when it goes to green, we're doing a trickle charge on there when your phone is at full there, and it's gonna just top it off. So that's pretty sweet. Let's just plug this in the wall, and we'll hook up a couple devices, guys, and show you that it actually works and does what it's supposed to do. So, all right, let's plug this one in here. I actually, we're going to be using 2 different cords here, and let's just do that right now. So I have a couple actual cords here. One's USB-C to USB-C for Android, and one's USB-C for iPod or iOS devices. So we're going to plug this little guy in right here. Boom. And these are also Aohi cords, 6 foot long, super cool. Plug this in our lightning cable here. Starts charging right away. And then I can also plug in my Android here also. So 2 phones charging. You see the little amber light glowing there in the background if I get out of the way. So that's pretty cool, guys. And it works. Sometimes Apple will do some weird updates, so non-Apple stuff doesn't work for charging, for cords, for other stuff. It was kind of upsetting because I did order some stuff before, and then Apple did an update, and none of the chargers worked or anything. So it was pretty stupid. I'm not sure why they do that. They want a monopoly on all their stuff, but it's kind of annoying. But these are working right now. So, and super fast charging is enabled if you just do 1 in there. If I have 2 in there, then it's still doing fast charging, but not super fast on my Android. And then of course the Apple doesn't tell me if it's doing super fast charging or not. But yeah, definitely a cool little thing. This is probably the smallest charger I've seen. Most of the other ones are like twice as big as this and like super bulky and whatnot. So really cool there. If you guys want to check this one out. And these cords are legit. I'll link it in the description below. So be sure to check that out. If you use the promo code, save an extra 10%. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.